Demystifying the infinitive in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we'll be diving deep into a fundamental concept in the English language, the infinitive. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it is and how to use it effectively in your sentences. An infinitive is the base form of a verb, usually preceded by the word to. Examples include to run, to eat, and to dance. It's the unaltered, original form of the verb, meaning it's not changed for tense, person, or number. 1. Full infinitive. This is when the infinitive is used with to. For example, I like to read books. She wants to travel the world. 2. Bare infinitive. This is the infinitive without to. It is used after modal verbs can, will, should, etc., and certain other verbs. I can swim, he must go now. Infinitives can play various roles in a sentence. 1. Subject of the sentence. To read is fun. 2. Object of the sentence. I love to dance. 3. Adjective. She has a book to read. 4. Adverb. I went to the store to buy milk. You might have heard of the term split infinitive. This is when an adverb is inserted between to and the verb. A famous example is to boldly go where no man has gone before. Some grammarians argue against using split infinitives, but it's widely accepted in modern English, especially if it makes the sentence clearer or more rhythmic. So there you have it, a quick tour of infinitives in English. Remember, whether you're using it as a subject, an object, an adjective, or even splitting it, the infinitive is a versatile tool in your English toolkit. We hope this video has illuminated this important concept for you. Keep practicing, and happy learning!